Hello all, hope you're doing good. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the record prayer option in Salesforce Flow. This is one of the option they introduced in Spring 21 release. Let's take this as a use case. Like I need to update internal comments field in my case object when the case status is specifically moving from new to working, and not from any other status, only from new to working. Uh, let's see how we can do it. All right, I logged into Salesforce and here is my case object. So what we are going to do is when the status is changing from new to working, I wanted to update this internal comments field with something like the case status was changed to new to working. This can be used in different ways, right? So for this demo purpose, I'm just doing this dumb example. Let's start creating the flow, creating a new flow, and it's a record triggered flow, and it's a free form. So the record is created or updated, and let's leave after the record is saved, choosing the object as case. And for now, I'm not going to give any condition. If needed, then you can give it, but for this, I'm not going to give any condition. And how to use the decision element. Just naming labels. So here we have to give our conditions. So in the resource, if you see, there are two things: record and case record prior. So this is on the same object, whatever we gave in the starting. So here I'm going to choose record prior dot status equals new, and the current record status should be working. So if this two matches, then our outcome should be executed. So our outcome is updating the record. Mm, Select specific condition and select the object and the ID. I'm just mapping the ID of the case has to be updated. So here in the internal comments, I'm just appending this value like case status updated from new to working on the comment section. Okay, connected. That's it. Save and activate. I'm in case record. So when we change the status to new to working, our internal comments field should get updated. Let's see. Okay, I'm updating from new to working, and yep, here it is changed. So this is one of the example that we can you I just wanted to show you, but you can use the this record player in different areas. Like if you want to track the time between different status from new to um, in progress or pending, how much time exactly spent on the particular status. You can have another field to track that field, the time, and by using this flow, by checking the prior and new condition, you can update your new field with the exact time they spent. And there are certain other scenarios that you can use of just these are the things that came off my mind, but you could use this in a different scenarios. All right, that's all for this video, and let me know if you find any new features in Spring 21 Salesforce Flow. Let me explore and put a new video for you guys. Until then, stay safe and happy new year again. Bye bye.